Downloading your account data from Cash App is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of your transactions and account activity. Follow these steps to obtain your data easily. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your data. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account menu in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Statements. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Statements or Account Statements. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose the date range. You will be prompted to select a date range for the data you wish to download. Choose the appropriate start and end dates for your account activity. Step 5. Download the data. After selecting the date range, look for the option to download or export your account data. Follow the prompts to save the file to your device, typically in CSV or PDF format. Once you have completed these steps, you will have successfully downloaded your account data from Cash App. This information can be useful for personal finance tracking or tax purposes.